In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your header transparent in Wix Studio. This step-by-step guide will help you achieve a clean, modern look for your website, and it's easier to do than you might think. Let's dive right in. First, you need to access the Inspector panel. Begin by clicking on your header to select it. This is typically done by simply using your mouse to click directly on the header section of your site within the Wix editor. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box or editing tools appear around it. Now shift your attention over to the top right corner of the Wix Studio editor. Here, you'll find a small icon that looks like a sliding panel or a pane with adjustment knobs. This is the Open Inspector icon. Go ahead and click on that to open up the Inspector panel. This panel is your main control center when it comes to making visual adjustments to elements on your page. Once the Inspector panel is open, you'll want to make adjustments to the header background opacity. Start by navigating to the Design section within the Inspector panel. This section contains all sorts of settings related to how your header looks, from colors to borders and shadows. Among these settings, you'll find the Fill Color and Opacity options. This is where we'll be focusing our efforts today. Click on the color box to bring up the color picker. The color picker is a helpful tool that allows you to select the exact color and transparency levels you desire. To make the header background fully transparent, look for the opacity slider within this color picker tool. Now here's the critical part. You'll want to set this opacity slider all the way down to 0%. By dragging the slider to 0%, you're instructing Wix to remove the solid color from the header, making it fully transparent. This adjustment will lend your site that sleek and airy appearance that's currently in vogue across modern web designs. It's perfect for showcasing a background image or video, or simply to achieve a minimalist look. Keep in mind that a transparent header can greatly enhance the aesthetic of your website, drawing visitors' attention immediately to the content or visual elements directly beneath the header. It's a small change, but when executed with thought and care, it can make a big impact on the overall user experience of your site. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've now set your Wix site up with a transparent header, contributing to a more polished and professional design. Feel free to experiment further with other design settings in the Inspector panel to personalize your site's appearance even more to your liking. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on mastering Wix Studio.